Hello dear student, today we are solving the ISI MSQE sample paper and we are solving from question number 5. Consider the market demand function P equal to 100 minus Q. P is this. Large number of firms and identical cost functions are this. So which of them are correct? So here C equal to this competitive market. Market price equals to marginal cost of the production for the firms. Let us find the marginal cost from each firm. So MC equal to DCIQI by DQI, that is equal to here 2 units. So since the large number of arms are there, so perfectly elastic and marginal cost equal to 2. Okay, so to find the equilibrium price, set the market demand equal to this. So 100 minus Q equal to 2, so Q equal to 98. Okay, Q equal to 98 and at this price is equal to marginal cost 2. So the competitive equilibrium price is 2. So the firm will be selling at 2. Option number A is correct.